Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning. Happy Friday. I've got video number 2 for you this week. We're doing the monthly spread for January. So don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description. So stay tuned. Okay, so for the month of January, I've decided to work in my black and silver 1-month planner, and that is where we are creating this January spread. And I'm going to start off by pulling some stickers from the Neon Love sticker set from Worthy Gal. This set is so fun, and it's bright and colorful, and I love it. So I'm going to pull in the January name here because it's got this neon purple look, and this is kind of the whole vibe that I'm going for this spread. And I'm going to pull, let's see, one of these quote stickers. You are pure magic. That's fun. I'm going to use this section down the side to just fully decorate it and have some fun with that. So there's a few quote stickers that I like. I'll pull in some more here in a little bit. But since this is an undated planner, I'm going to date it. I'm using text for the 2021, but I'm going to use the pen tool to just quickly date the actual days on the calendar. It's a little bit faster than using text and using stickers. I'm going to use this fountain pen. Is that what this is? It's my favorite pen in Note Shelf. So I like the way that I end up writing with this, because writing on an iPad is not the same as writing on paper. But this is the best pen that I've found. So I'm going to speed up this process of actually dating this monthly spread so you guys don't have to suffer through that, because it can take a while. It's faster than using stickers and text, I think. But so now it's dated, and I'm going to use the text tool to throw on some notes for some different releases or events going on this month, like this first Monday here. Well, technically it's the last Monday of December. I'm releasing past tense, I released my 2021 Year of Health planner. If you haven't joined the challenge or got the planner or got the sticker kit to go along with it, definitely check that out. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. It's a lot of fun. We have a Facebook group where each month we're voting on the different monthly challenges, and we're doing a different fitness challenge and a different lifestyle challenge every month throughout the year of 2021. So that planner is out, and I'm going to pull in some of the stickers from that first kit to go along with it. And let's see, this is the sticker kit for the January challenge. It comes with the planner if you buy the planner, but you can also get this sticker kit by itself. And then in the challenge group on Facebook, as well as if you sign up for the mailing list, each month I'm going to send out a new sticker kit and a new challenge calendar to go along with whatever challenge we're doing that month. It's a really fun color scheme, I think, for this first month, and it kind of goes along with the planner itself. You'll have to check out that planner. But for January, we're doing a walking challenge. So I made this sticker with a little shoe. It says "Walk It Out." Thought that was fun. And I think the colors go really well with the colors of this Neon Love set. and, plan it all. That's fun. But overall, both sets really go well together, so I thought it was perfect for the month of January since it's the start of the challenge. I don't know why I'm talking with my hands. My dog is looking at me like I'm crazy. You guys can't see my hands. It's really random. But I love that bright washi sticker right there. It's very fun. And what else do I need to pull in here? Okay, so I'm thinking about this note box, but in the end, I end up using something else there. So that's just kind of like a placeholder. There's a lot of fun stickers in this neon kit. It definitely need it. It's really fun. Bright and colorful. And it looks really great on the black pages of this planner, which is really fun. Some stickers don't look good on the black pages of like a blackout planner because they're more suited for white pages. But I feel like this neon kit goes really good either way. I feel like the colors are, as you can see, look really good on white in the sticker kit, but they also like really, really pop on the black. So here I decided, since the 13th is my birthday, I am going to make it special with using a 13 sticker and just cropping down the edges so that it fits right up in the corner. And then, let's see. What else can I pull in? Oh, okay. So this is my Mystic Moon digital planner charm bundle. I've got clips and like regular paper clips and teardrop paper clips with little dangly bits. And this is a fun little sparkly heart. And I'm going to line it up to fit on the rings. And then I am just going to play around with spacing here. And once I get about where I want it, then I can choose to edit the photo, and Noteshelf has a fun feature where you can erase. So I'm just going to erase a section so it looks like the clip is hooked on the rings. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I think I need a little bit more taken out. And it's pretty good. I mean, it looks like it's hooked on there and laying on the page. So that's what I've been going for. And this is my Purple Haze sticker kit. It, once again, bright and colorful. It goes really good with both of these sticker sets. And this one has like a paper collage type of feel to it. So it's got some really fun paper textures and some torn edges and different things like that. And it's a lot of fun to layer up those stickers. So I'm going to layer up a few here and pull in. Oh, we've got several birthdays in this month, so I want to make them stand out a little bit. And using these neon stickers around them, that's a fun way to do that. And then I can just send it to the back and it goes underneath that other one. Perfect. And what do I want to pull here? Okay, so I'm going to use this large glitter sticker here, and I'm going to size it up to go in this little note area here at the end. And once I get the width about right, then I can just crop it down, and then it fits pretty darn perfectly. And I can send it to the back or pull this one to the front to layer those up, and then I just put a little note box on top of that. That's got a fun paper texture. And okay, so here I was trying to move those stickers on the end, and I clicked the pin because in Noteshelf you can't turn off your hyperlinks completely. You can when you're using the pen tool, the pen eraser and highlighter, but not when you're messing with images. So occasionally I'll hit a random link whenever I'm trying to do something else. So that silver pin, that's where that takes you, is the quick notes section in that planner. So if you're wondering what the heck is this, that's what that was. All right, so I want to pull in some other things. Okay, so this is my silver and diamond planner charm set, And because, I mean, sparkle, let's get a little more sparkle. I'm going to make it look like the little heart is clipped on the pocket of my planner. And then let's pull in some more from the Purple Haze set. This is kind of a like a marble galaxy type of lipstick print there. That's fun. And then I'm gonna grab, let's see, what else can I put in here? Let's grab the, I forgot what I did here. Oh, okay, all right. So on the 29th is my dad's birthday. He's no longer with us, but just in memory of him, I'm going to pull this on my calendar and pull in this little paper square, and then I'm going to grab this heart because, I mean, I'm a daddy's girl, even though he's not with us anymore. So I'm going to put this little heart and layer that up. And I realized that when I scribbled my text, it misspelled, which is weird. Like, why would you autocorrect to Dodd? That's weird. Okay, so I'm going to crop down one side of this washi so that I can flip it and line it up with the bar on the calendar square. And I can send it to the back and then send that one to the back so they're layered up so the text is still on the top. And that works. And this is a fun neon sticker to go along with it. It says with all your heart. Thought that would be good to add over here. I don't know about you guys, but the monthly pages in my calendar, I rarely use them. I mainly use my weekly and daily pages. But every once in a while, I'll get the urge to decorate my monthly pages. And 9 times out of 10 when I do that, I literally am just decorating it and that I don't actually use it to plan. I may throw like a couple of things on here, but this is probably the most I've noted up a monthly page in a very long time. Most times they just sit blank in my planner and it's sad. They're just used for hyperlinks basically. So that's it. This one is a really fun, bright and colorful spread for the new year. I love how it turned out and it's a great start to my challenge. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.